Hello everyone, I am a fit, flying, flawless babe. I have joined the community almost 2 months now and I love all her products. They smell very well. She comes with a workout guide with every product. It has a get snatched side, it has a get thick side with it. I just love her energy. I love her customer service. I love everything about the products. So now let me get into telling you about her products. First, let me show you the box that it comes in. Very cute, organized little box, excuse me. First product I have is What Waste Detox Pills. They work very good. You take them after your last meal a day. What Waste Detox Pills. Go shop with her. They are the truth. I have lost 4 inches on my stomach within a week. She is the truth. Next product, we have the Cocoa Buns Coffee Scrub. It actually smells just like coffee. It is so wonderful. Like, it's very moist, smells just like coffee, and it's smooth. It makes your butt smooth. You put this on your butt with the Get Thick soap, which I have right here. I've also been using. As you can see, it's wet in the inside. Everything smells so good. Products are very natural. Will not have no allergic reaction to them. Everything. Next, the Get Thick soap, like I was telling you, use this 2 times a day in the shower. Let it massage it on your butt with the upwards sensation for about 5 minutes and let it sit in. Then you can wash it off. Also, let the cocoa buns sit in for 5 minutes in total once you put it on, so it can work. Then we have the thicker than a Snickers cream, excuse me. Smells great. Big bottle. She even gives out samples. All you do is pay for the shipping. Stop playing and go shop with my girl. Like, I have been using it. I didn't have a cuff down here at first. I have a whole cuff now. Like, real people, real results. Go shop with her. Also, she gives you a thick F oil that comes with it. You put this on after the shower. All products used after the shower, after your body has been wet and in a hot shower, for the best results possible. The thick F oil smells very great, nice and soft, has all natural herbs in it. You cannot go wrong. Perfect. And last but not least, I have the Get Snatched cream. This is actually one of her sample bottles I had purchased before. Still have it. Very nice size bottle. All you paying for is the shipping. Smells like peppermint. Smells so good. You put this on your stomach with the Get What Waste Detox Pills for best results. I have lost inches on my stomach. My stomach was way bigger than this. This was tight. It's very loose now. Shop with her. You will not miss. I'm telling you, I love everything. Her shipping takes 14 days, all because she has to get all products and ingredients in the box and shipped out to you all. Comes with the little the little grass and everything. She even speaks with you on Instagram. She speaks with you on TikTok. She's very nice. Trust me, you will not go wrong with booking these products with the Fit Flying Flawless Babes. I'm telling you, you will not go wrong. As you can see, I have purchased all of these products so far, and everything is working smoothly. I love everything. Please stop what you're doing and take the time and go check her out. She's on TikTok. She's on Instagram. She's even on Facebook. But the only way you would get in that Facebook group chat is if you purchase something, even if you purchase the sample of the thicker than the Snicker cream or the Get Snatched cream. This is the Get Snatched cream. Let me let you see it again. Smells very good. Smells just like peppermints. And you will sweat. You will feel the burn as soon as you put it on. I'm trying to tell you. And also, make sure you do not forget to use these workout guides. That's what she give these guides to you for. They come in handy. You get a Get Thick and a Get Snatched for my girls that want to lose that fat on the stomach and gain that fat here. Please believe it. She's the truth from a real fit, flying, flawless babe.